How is oil like electricity? Well, we're going to find out next.
This video is sponsored by Mala, manufacturers of engine components, filters, and peripherals. Visit mala-aftermarket.com for more information.
With electricity on a vehicle, you're dealing with voltage and current. With oil, you're dealing with pressure and volume. Pressure is like voltage, volume is like current. On a vehicle's oil system, it needs both pressure and volume to properly operate. One of the high-load components on a vehicle that needs both pressure and volume to operate is the variable valve timing system. If it's not receiving the correct amount of pressure and volume, it's going to get a little sluggish and may not operate properly and could even generate a code. One of the restrictions in the system that acts kind of like a voltage drop could be the filter if it's not properly maintained or changed at the correct interval. You could be getting the right pressure at idle, but once loads go on the vehicle, it's not going to be able to generate enough volume and the pressure will actually go down. So a well-designed oil filter is part of a system that acts like the electronics on your vehicle. And make sure that the vehicle has a fresh oil filter if you're tracking down a variable valve timing problem. I'm Andrew Markel. Thank you very much.